Hello, welcome back to your welcome back to your first class of your batch. Okay, so hope you all are fine. So I will be your tutor for your this Python batch. Okay, so today we will be taking our first class in Python. Okay, so we can start at 9:10. Okay. So I am Irfan N. I am Microsoft certified coder. I will be the tutor for your this session. This for your batch. Okay. Learn Python batch. Okay. So today we will be learning some main basics of Python, and we will be trying one program. Okay. So hope you all are fine. So if you have any doubts in between the classes, you can put it at chat. Okay. So I will now send our portal link. Okay, send. Okay, so we will be starting our session at soon. Please wait for a minute. We will be starting our session at 9:10. Okay. So today we will be not downloading the software. Okay. So today we will be trying it by our portal. Okay. So our portal, its trial version is available. So with that we will be trying. So first of all, I will tell you how to use our portal. So if you are opening your portal on your laptop, you can see like this type of a window. So here when you scroll down, you can see all the recorded classes, and at here you can see a try Python option. So when you press there, you can try the Python. Okay, the codes which we are teaching, you can try it from here. Okay, here it will be loaded. See, so at here you can try it, and at the third tab is this notes tab, and at this notes tab your notes will be appeared. Okay, so when you are now taking on a mobile phone, see, if you are taking on a mobile phone, you will be getting like this type of window. When you scroll down, you can see the classes. You can code and learn in phone itself. Okay, in your mobile phone itself, you can learn. That's the specialty of our portal. And when you are taking on the portal, if you want to see that options like notes, try Python, then you want to press on this three dots at the top, three lines. And when you are pressing, you can see the options. When you press, that will be loaded. Okay, you can try it on your mobile phone also. See this. Okay, so now let's start our session at 9:10. Okay, so our batch have 980 students. So our batch first class is today. So any doubts you can ask in the comment. Okay, we will be starting with this sessions also. So if you doesn't understand anything, that time itself you want to ask me in the comment, because at every minute we are learning new things. Okay, when the first minute is not clear, the second minute will not be clear. Means the first minute we will be learning something, and the second minute we will be learning some other things else. Okay, so the first minute we will be learning some basics. Second minute some more advanced, and it will become like advanced. Okay, it's completely suitable for beginners and experts. Okay, so let's sharply start at 9 o'clock. Okay. So before starting, I will be asking you some questions, like some normal basic questions. If you know the answer, you just put in the chat. Okay. So the first person who is putting the chats will be get rewards and all by our portals. Okay. So we will be starting our session after 2 more minutes. Let everybody join. Now it's 880 students joined. Out of 980 students, now 100 more students to join, and within 2 minutes I think they will be also get joined to our live session. So hope you are ready with everything. And this notes, we prefer you to take a new notebook for Python or coding, and you can write all the notes there. Okay, because there are some main codes that all you, if you note on your notebook, it will be more easy when you come to some advanced portions. And if you doesn't understand anything, you can learn that. And the next thing is that if you have any doubts after any doubts after the live classes, you can also send it in a mail ID. That's You can also send it to my mail ID. Just send us a mail, okay? So we will be starting in the 1 minute, okay? Okay, so you can code in mobile phone also. Okay, so it's not necessary to take a big computer, but at future classes we will be trying to download our softwares and all. So that time a laptop is preferred. You can do it in a mobile phone also, but every time a laptop or computer is preferred. But if computer or laptop is not available, no need to go in any buffets and all. We will be doing it in mobile phones itself. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, so now it's 9:10. So hello all, welcome back to our new session. So you are the new batch for me, and at this batch we will be learning. This batch is Learn Python batch, and today is our first class. So before that, introducing me, I'm Irfan N, Microsoft certified coder. Okay, so before starting, may I ask you one question? Okay, so those who know, just put the answer in the chat. Okay, who invented computer? Okay, very good. The first answer is given by Devi Shankar. Very good. Congratulations. Okay, the first answer will be getting more claps and all. Okay, so you want to be the next to get more claps and all. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, starting with our Learn Python session. Before starting, when some persons ask you, who is the developer of computer? What is computer language? Who is a programmer? Like this type of questions asked, someone will be like this. But they might be experts in Python, but they doesn't know its definition. So when we are going through the definition, when you go for any quiz programs or any Microsoft conducting exams or any type of exams, then you can these questions will be asked. Okay, so it will be more suitable. So, a computer developer is Charles Babbage. And what's a computer language? A computer language is a medium of communication between the user and a computer. So, I am the user. So, when I type the program and send, I am sending it to the computer. Okay, I am sending it to the computer. It's the So that's a programming. Okay. So please wait for 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute.
Python app. Python app it is download app. Download app it is Python app. Python app it is app.
Okay. So thank you for waiting patiently for the 1 minute. Okay. So now let's continue. Okay. So now you all say that. So when so let's start. Okay. So now Okay, what's a computer language? A medium of communication between the user and a computer. So I am the user. When I type a code and when I run it, I am communicating to the computer. Okay, I am communicating to the computer. So that is called computer language. Okay, so do you understand? Yeah. When I am asking, you want to type the answers very fast. Okay, like yes or no. Okay, for S, you did not want to type YES. Okay, you just type the letter S. This. No need to type this. Okay, only type this. Yes. Okay. So the next thing. Who is a programmer? A person who write programs. Okay. So a simple, easy peasy. A easy peasy thing. Who is a program? So when I type a program, I am a programmer. That's all. So that's a programmer. So these are some important basics. If someone asks you, if you doesn't know, everybody will teach you. So that's why I just taught you that. So now let's start with IDLE Python. Okay. So Python version which we are using is IDLE. Okay, IDLE Python. We are learning IDLE Python. So first of all, let's learn about this developer. Okay. So because in some cases, if name is being asked, and you will say you are a big student of a course, and you doesn't know it's a shame for you. Yeah. So its developer is Guido van Rossum. Okay. So Python developer is Guido van Rossum. Okay. So he is a Python developer. So now let's learn some things about Python. So Python is a high level structured open source programming language. Okay. Python is high level means there are three types of language: high level language, low level language. Like that, there's types of languages. In that, it's a high level languages, but it's very easy. When hearing high level language, I can't learn. We will think I can't learn. It's very tough, but it's not. Only for the name, it's high level. Okay, it's structured. It's well structured. Means the structure is very good for the user, and it's an open source program. So, do you know what is an open source program? A program which every person can use it for free. Okay, it's a open source, and some majority applications in Play Store are open source. That means majority applications in Play Store are free to use. Okay, that's the thing. So it's a open source programming language. Okay, so it's free to use. You did not want to pay monthly money for using that. Okay, so the next thing is that it supports development of wide range of application from simple text processing to games. So you can just we will type some simple codes and you can convert it to games and applications very easily. So now the next thing, the Python is named after, do you know? The Python is named after a TV program, and the program is Python Flying Circus. It was named after a TV comedy program. It was Python Flying Circus. Okay, so now let's uh, learn about its features. Okay, main features. Let's go for its main features. Okay, so the first feature is that it's easy to use and learn. So it's a easy type software and you can learn it easily and you can use it easily. Next thing is that it's open source. I have said before, it's 100% free to use. Next benefit is that it supports Windows, Linux. It supports majority of platforms like Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, like that, etc. Okay. Next thing is that it's high level, user friendly programming language. Not at all very much difficult. Okay, user friendly. And it's the next thing is that it's an interpreted language. Interpreted language means when we type 10 lines of code, the first line will be corrected first and first line result will came, then the second line. If the second line will get error, it will be evaluated second only. Okay, so that's saying that it's a interpreted language. So this much is clear. Yeah, okay. I need like this type of fast answers. So next thing, So IDLE Python. So what is this IDLE means? Integrated Development Environment. So that is IDLE Python means. Okay. I for integrated, DNL for development, E for environment. So it's a graphic based development for Python. Okay. It means a graphic based development software. Okay. So that's all. Now let's go for the tokens. Okay, token is the smallest element of Python program, the smallest function of Python program. There are four types of tokens: data, identifier, keywords, delimiter, operator. These all things I'm just saying quickly because this all doesn't require for programming. Okay, just say knowledge about what you are going to do. Okay, that I'm saying. So identifier. The first thing identifier. Identifier identify function name. Like name, class, school, section, division, college, like that. Okay, that means identifier. Next is keywords. Keywords are reserved words in Python. That means like print. Okay, some codes. We can't change that code. That's called keywords. Next is delimiter. A set of variety of symbols are called delimiter. Okay, like this bracket symbol, this bracket symbol, double inverted codes. That all are called delimiter. Okay. So next thing is that operator. Operators are main things in Python, like symbols that carry out arithmetic or logical calculations. Okay, that carry out arithmetic or logical calculation. It also contains four parts. This operator contains four parts. That's one part we will be learning today. The first part of that is arithmetic operator. So nothing, it means just mathematical operator. Mathematical operators. Okay, so first thing, if we want to get a sum, in Python we will be using plus mark. If we want to get a difference, we will be using minus mark. If we want to get a quotient, means a divided result, we will be using a slash mark. And if multiplication, you should not use X symbol, okay? You should only use star button, okay? Star. A star should be used in that, okay? So hope it's clear. Next thing, module. If you want to find a remainder, you need to use this symbol. Next thing, power. If we want to find a square of number. Square. Okay. So power, we will be using 2 star. I will be saying it's example. Okay. If I want to get 2 square. No, 2 cube. Okay, 2 cube. Then I will be writing as 2 and a 2 star. Okay, this is the number. After this 2 star, when we write anything, that will be at up. Okay, after 2 star, it means raised to. After 2 star means raised to. So that 2 is to 3. See, now it's 2 cube. Okay, like this. Okay, hope it's clear. So now let's go. So this all I am saying in little fast because this all are just as logic. Next thing is in Python is variables. There are especially two types of variables. First is numeric variable. Second is alpha numeric variable. So what is a numeric variable? So if I write a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, when I type a plus b, that's equal to 30. Like normal results. Yeah, a plus b, 30. So next thing is alpha numeric variable. So when I write a inside and put a inverted comma, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. So alpha numeric variable inverted commas. Okay. So when I write a plus b, 1020 will be will be shown on the screen. See, this all are not the main things. Just a knowledge which I say. Because in quizzes it will be asked. Okay, we can learn the more types of operators in the upcoming classes. Now let's start with programming. Okay, so we'll be first of all we'll be writing difference, multiplication, division, square, remainder. So first of all, let's go for sum. So if I want to get a sum of two numbers, so first of all, just open the portal, our portal, just go for the option, try Python. So when I am going here, they will be automatically written some things. Just select it and just delete it. Okay, select and delete it. Okay. So here we will be trying that. So here we can see that there are two spaces. The first space is our entering space and second space is command line arguments. So here we will be getting a result, and if we want to give anything extra, we will be giving. So first thing, if we want to get a sum of two numbers, so this first two lines you should by heart. Okay, like A equal to int bracket input bracket inverted comma enter your number. Okay, I will be do we can do it in Python. That will be good. So if I want to get a sum of two numbers, first thing which I need to do is I need to write like this: A equal to int. So int means what? Int is a keyword. Okay. So int means integer. Int means integer. So it's a integer. Okay. We are representing it as a integer. A equal to integer. A is a integer. So next thing is bracket. So we are putting a bracket. Bracket is the its format. Okay. We are not representing any things through this bracket. We are just only giving this. Okay. Only representing that. And inside that bracket we'll put input. Okay, so that's also a keyword. Okay, input means when we enter, we want to enter the number. When we enter the two numbers, we need to get the results. So I give this input. A equal to int input bracket. Then we can give a message. That message should be inside inverted quotes. Okay, before that, I want to say one thing. Python is case sensitive, so use small letters. Python is case sensitive means use only small letters. That is case sensitive means. Okay, case sensitive. Okay, so input inside this inverted quotes we can write that. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so inside this inverted quotes we will be writing that I am now writing enter the first number. So when they enter the first number, okay, enter the first number. So I have given that, and now I am closing the bracket. Here I have started the bracket. The rule in Python, the main rule is the main rule. When we start a bracket, we should close it. It's a compulsory compulsory rule. Okay, compulsory rule in Python, otherwise our code will be error. So now I'm closing these two things. Okay, so this line is the first two lines. Now I'm going to write as common in every programs, so you should by heart. Okay, next thing, D. So the second letter which a user is going to give, B equal to int integer bracket input. Next thing, again a bracket inside the inverted quotes. Enter the second number, and next we will be closing the bracket. So these two things are common in every programs. Okay, common in every programs. So these two things common in every programs. So these two lines are common in every program. See, these two lines are common in every program. So you should by heart it. Okay, you should by heart. That's today's assignment. By heart the first two lines. The next thing which we will be giving is C. Okay, next we will be using a third variable. That is C. C equal to. So first we are doing, we are writing a program to get a sum of two numbers. So C equal to A, and for sum what we are using in Python we have learned in arithmetical operators plus icon. So you will be using plus there. See, A plus B. Okay, so that's okay. Next. So next line we will be giving, we need to print the result. Okay, so print bracket inside a inverted comma the sum is, and we will be giving like that type of thing. Then after that we will be pointing the cursor, then a comma, then C. Okay, that's all. Our program is over. So now let's run this. Okay, so we can run. When we press on the run button, it will run. See, now it's asked that enter the first number. So I am now entering 6, 5. Okay. Now when I press on the enter key, uh, I doesn't put the number. That's why I will run it again. First thing I will be putting 5. Oh, I pressed enter 2 times again. 5, then enter. Enter the second number. So the second number I am entering is 8. So now when I give enter, see, the sum is 13. I got the result. So now let's enter some big numbers. Okay. Enter the second number. Enter. See, the sum is. See, I have got the result here. The sum is 77477773. See, this is the code for finding a sum of two numbers. So, next thing is that today we have some assignments. Okay. Assignments I will be giving at last. Next thing, if I want to get a sum of difference of two numbers, then I will just change the symbol. So for subtraction, what we have learned, see, it's difference minus symbol. That's all. We will be just changing that symbol to minus. So and here your difference, the difference. Now I will scroll down, then I will run. Enter the first number 10. Second number 2, enter. The difference is 8. See, I got the difference as 8. So this is a difference. Next thing, if I want to get the multiplication. So multiplication I have said that into mark. So we will be using just changing the symbol. Symbol method. Just change the symbol. Yes, into mark. A into B. Now when I run, under the first number 20, 3, 20 into 4, then when I enter, so we need to change one more thing. The we can type anything, okay, the result or anything. The product we can type as product also, product. So I can try some other numbers, 8, 7, 9, 9, 8, 9. Next enter key. Okay, so that's all. So next thing is that uh next thing quotient. Okay, so quotient. So we will be just changing the symbol into slash. That's all. So these first three lines are common. By heart it. Okay. Quotient. The quotient is now when I am running 80 divided by 2. Quotient is 40.0. We have got it. Next thing module. The reminder we will be using module symbol. Okay. The reminder. Okay. Now when I run, enter the first number 81, second number 2. The reminder is 1. We have got the reminder also. So this is the thing to find the reminder. Percentage symbol for reminder. So we have tried it. See how easily. So these are the main basics. Okay. So main basic. Simple, yeah. Okay. So the next thing. So that we have completed. Okay. So I will be writing here that format this is the format I will write. Okay, C equal to a of arithmetic operation. So here you need to just give a and here you need to write arithmetic or I will write in bold arithmetic operation. So no need to by heart this format, okay? Just by heart the three lines, understand and study, okay? When you are by hearting the format, it will be some difficult. So when you know the program, you will be automatically knowing it, okay? So arithmetic operation and D. That's all. Okay. Next thing, print bracket the inverted comma the result is the result is and next C. Okay, so hope it's clear. So for this perimeter, that's all. The format is same. Okay, so now let's try to find the perimeter or perimeter and area. Okay, so perimeter and area. So format will be using some else format. The first thing. Okay, so first of all, let's go for the logics. So first of all, if we want to find a rectangle, okay, if we want to find a perimeter and area of a rectangle, rectangle, rectangle's area is L into B. Okay, rectangle's area L into B. So its perimeter meter is 2 into L plus B. So this is the area and perimeter of a rectangle. If I want to find a rectangle, so that case I am saying, okay. So now let's try the first line. So we will be typing a equal to int bracket same input, then bracket enter the length. Okay, they want to enter the length. Okay, we are finding the area and perimeter. Area and perimeter in one program itself. Next thing, B area. Next, first let's, instead of giving a, let's give the variable L. Any variable you can give, but in exams if you give L, you will be getting more preference. Okay, so L equal to int that, and at the next line B. B equal to int bracket input bracket. So after you are watching the recorded class also you can send the assignment. Okay, assignment I will be saying soon, and I will be teaching how to send. And an inverted comma, enter the breadth. And next thing, just closing. Then we will be using a variable C equal to L into so okay. So first of all, area, yeah. So area means A. A equal to. So instead of that C, we are just giving here A. Okay, A equal to L into B. Length into breadth. That we have. See this L into B that we have expressed here. Length into B. Only B needed. Next thing is that C. C equal to 2 into L plus B. So we will write 2 into bracket L plus B. Okay, L plus B. So you have given it here. So that's all. This is the format. So when I run, enter the length. So length I am giving now 10. Enter. Breadth 14. Enter. Okay. Next. Okay. We forgot to give the result. Okay. Next thing. Print bracket the area at inside the inverted quotes, the area. Okay, we want to just program area equal to, like the same, the area is, and a comma, then A. Area is A, so this A will be the area. See, L into B is the area, yeah. So that. Next thing is that print in 2 lines. It will be printed inverted comma the perimeter is inverted quotes closing comma C. Okay, so that's all. So now when I run, enter the length 10, 5, the area is 50, the perimeter is 30. See, this is a program to find the area and perimeter. Okay, area and perimeter. So with that, now I will say how to print a name in a Python program. So just use the code print bracket inverted quotes. So my name Irfan. So I'm writing my name. So when I have run 10, 5, see, and my name also. Okay. So done by. We can customize our own messages. Okay, so the thing you should do is assignment. So first of all, I copy it, so that done by is not necessary to give. Okay, if you wish to you can give, but in assignment submission you, it's compulsory to give. Otherwise how you will understand who has been done? If you did, you can give any fake name or nickname. No need to give your original name. If you doesn't like to give your original name, no need. You can give a nickname or etc. Next thing, assignment. Send it to mail. Okay. So I have given my mail ID. Okay. Find area and perimeter of a square. And don't forget to include your name. Okay. So now I have said how to include your name. So after that, so how you could send it. So for sending that, just press on this share button and you will get an expiry period. Just select never and just press on share, and when you are pressing on share you will be getting a link. Just copy, don't share the code, just copy this link. Okay, copy this link and send it to the mail ID in our portal. See at home, see at home, see my mail ID is there, so you just send it. So when I open I can see your activity. See like this, I can see your activity. See your codes I can see, and if there is any mistakes in between I can correct it. Okay, so that's all. So this much only for today's session. Hope your today's session is clear. Let's meet tomorrow on the same session. So bye bye.